Hello, I'm Gustavo from Placker, and in this video I'm going to show how to create multiple mirrors via Excel. In this case we have project 1 with many cards that are already planned, and we would like to mirror all of them to project 2. Well, usually you could click the board title and create a rule where every new card will be mirrored. However, this wouldn't work in this case because this wouldn't apply to the existing cards. So if you want to mirror all the cards, the first thing to do is to click Actions and then Export. First, we're going to export project 2, and by the way, make sure to click Filter and Settings and select Include Lists because we're going to need the lists in order to do this. Well, I have project 2, I'm going to download it. And this is because I need the Placker ID of the list. For example, to do, if I want the mirrors to be created in this list, I'm going to copy this Placker ID, then go back to Placker, download the project 1, and then I'm going to open the spreadsheet and add two lists, which is mirror parent ID, which is exactly the list code that we copied earlier, and mirror parent type. The mirror parent type is list because the to-do list is a list, and that's where we're going to mirror the cards. If we were going to create a mirror inside a card, that is, create a checklist item from that card, this would be the card ID. So now we're going to paste the mirror ID of the board, and then we're going to select all of this and re-import to Placker. So I'm at Placker, import, paste. This is project 1 because we're going to update the cards in project 1 so that they are mirrored. I'm just going to follow the steps, make sure that the correct lists are selected, so mirror parent ID and mirror parent type, and that's it. Now we're going to start the import. We will see that the cards are mirrored to that board.